Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious, easy, and healthy cooked apples or stewed apples. These are really easy to put together. You can even double the batch if you want to have extra for later. We're going to make a small, quick, and easy batch. You can put them on top of an oatmeal bake like this. You can put them on yogurt, on ice cream by themselves. So let's get started. The first thing we need are 2 large apples cut into cubes, any apples you like. And then we're going to add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Start with 3 and see how it goes because you don't want too much water in there. Now we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can just sprinkle that right over top. We've got this pot already on medium heat, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So just like 3 super simple ingredients. We're going to cover it, bring it to a boil, and then we're going to reduce it to a simmer. We don't want to keep it boiling. We want to basically just kind of simmer these down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally. You don't have to stand right over these apples and stir them the whole entire time. Just give them a stir on occasion. As it gets closer to the end, you want to keep a little bit of a closer eye on them because you don't want them to burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. But you can see here still like 5 minutes later, the apples are not cooked yet. The water is absorbing, but you don't have to stand right over it because there's no stickage. But you can see all the liquid should be absorbed just like this. So start with those 3 tablespoons of water. If you need to add a fourth, go ahead and add it. And they should be cooked all the way through. You can test them with a fork. You can bite one. Careful, they're hot. Don't burn your mouth. Also, if you're loving this video so far, please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And there they are. So you can, like I said, you can put these on top of oatmeal. You can put them on a baked oatmeal. You can do whatever you like. Thank you so much for watching this video.